Hi, it's Kate again, and you're watching Casual Comfort. Today, we're exploring one of the most beautiful color duets of summer 2026, navy and butter yellow. One is deep, timeless, and sophisticated. The other is soft, sunny, and fresh. And together, they create something surprisingly special, a summer combination that feels colorful without being loud, elegant without being boring, and modern without requiring an entirely new wardrobe. So today, let's discover how to wear navy and butter yellow, which pieces work best, what to pair them with, and how to make this trend work with clothes you may already own. Start with navy trousers plus a butter yellow top. If you're wondering where to begin, this is probably the easiest outfit formula. Take navy trousers, straight, wide leg, cropped, or linen, and pair them with a butter yellow blouse, t-shirt, lightweight knit, or relaxed linen shirt. The trousers provide structure while the yellow near your face brightens the entire outfit. For a casual summer day, try wide leg navy trousers, a relaxed yellow shirt, flat leather sandals, and a simple woven bag. For something more polished, choose tailored navy trousers, a sleeveless butter yellow blouse, loafers or slingbacks, and minimal jewelry. Same colors, completely different mood. That versatility is what makes this combination so useful. Try the combination with dresses. A butter yellow summer dress can look beautiful on its own, but navy accessories give it more depth. Try a yellow midi dress with navy sandals and a small navy bag. Add a navy cardigan over your shoulders for cooler evenings, and suddenly a very simple dress feels thoughtfully styled. You can also reverse the formula. A classic navy dress becomes much more interesting with a butter yellow handbag, scarf, flats, or lightweight cardigan. This is a great solution if you love the trend but don't want to buy several yellow pieces. Sometimes one small color accent is enough to make an old wardrobe favorite feel new again. Add white for a fresher summer look. There is one color that makes navy and butter yellow even easier to wear: white. White creates visual space between the darker navy and warmer yellow, making the entire palette feel lighter. Try white jeans with a navy top and butter yellow cardigan. Or navy shorts with a crisp white shirt and yellow bag. Another beautiful combination is white linen trousers, a simple white tank, navy sandals, and a pale yellow shirt worn open on top. And if navy feels too dark close to your face, this is an especially useful trick. Keep white or butter yellow on top and move navy to trousers, skirts, shoes, or accessories. Use stripes, denim, and texture. You don't necessarily need to buy something new to try this trend. Dark indigo denim can replace navy beautifully. A pair of dark jeans with a butter yellow shirt is probably one of the easiest versions of this look. The same works with a denim skirt or Bermuda shorts. Navy and white stripes are another natural partner for butter yellow. Try a striped Breton top with pale yellow trousers, or a striped cardigan over a yellow dress. And don't forget texture. Linen, cotton, fine knits, raffia, denim, silk, and woven leather can make a simple two-color outfit much more interesting. When the textures are varied, you often need fewer accessories and fewer colors. And if you enjoy discovering fashion trends that can actually work in a real wardrobe, subscribe to Casual Comfort. If you haven't subscribed yet, please like this video and leave me a comment. Would you wear navy and butter yellow together? And which one would you choose as your main color? Your comments also help me choose the color combinations and outfit ideas we explore next. Now let's continue. Make it look more elegant with tailoring. If you want navy and butter yellow to look sophisticated rather than playful, focus on clean silhouettes. Think tailored navy trousers with a soft yellow blouse. A butter yellow blazer over a simple navy dress. A navy midi skirt with a pale yellow sleeveless top. The secret isn't expensive clothing, it's structure. A clean shoulder line, well-cut trousers, an uncluttered neckline, and a simple silhouette immediately make color feel more refined. And because navy and yellow already create visual interest, you don't need to add everything else at once. Skip the complicated prints, oversized jewelry, dramatic shoes, and multiple statement pieces. Let the color combination be the statement. Choose the right accessories. One of the easiest mistakes with a two-color outfit is trying to match every accessory perfectly. You don't have to. With navy and butter yellow, neutral accessories work beautifully. Think tan or cognac leather sandals, cream flats, white sneakers, navy loafers, woven bags, or metallic shoes for evening. Gold jewelry brings out the warmth of butter yellow and creates a softer, richer effect. Silver can work beautifully too, especially if you prefer a cleaner, more minimal look. And if you're nervous about wearing yellow clothing at all, start with accessories. A butter yellow bag, scarf, belt, or pair of flats against a navy outfit gives you the trend without changing your personal style. Navy and butter yellow may look like opposites, but that is exactly why they work. Navy provides the structure. Butter yellow brings the light. One feels timeless, the other feels fresh. One grounds an outfit, the other wakes it up. And together, they solve one of summer's most familiar style dilemmas. How do you wear more color without losing elegance? You don't need a yellow suit or an entirely new wardrobe. Start with the navy pieces you already own and introduce just one touch of butter yellow. A shirt, a cardigan, a bag, a scarf. Sometimes the piece that makes your wardrobe exciting again isn't another neutral. It's simply one unexpected color. And this summer, that color might just be butter yellow. Tell me in the comments which combination you would actually wear. Thank you for watching Casual Comfort. This is Kate, and I'll see you in the next video, with more colors, more outfit ideas, and more ways to make fashion work for real life.